We are frequently asked how to make a smooth connection between the solid system and vinyl siding by our customers. We start this operation by connecting the solid system slats with vinyl siding slats. Here we have a combination of the external solid system corner and a siding system corner. Then, in order to combine the solid system panel and the siding, you will need an H-bar, which will be applied in a slightly different way than intended. It will not be used as a vertical connector, but as a horizontal one. It will serve as a starting slat for vinyl siding. For this, and before anything else, we need to cut holes in the slat so as to insert it behind the straight edges.
Wyciąć sobie takie otwory na to, żeby wsunąć tą listwę za łaty.
After making the cuts, insert the slat and screw it in using a drill driver.
I przekręcamy.
Then we need a panel, and we cut the panel in the standard way, and this bottom panel lock will be attached to the bottom of the slat.
Tutaj w tą listwę od spodu.
Before mounting the panel, remember to leave an expansion gap in the finishing slat. Doing this, we managed to obtain an aesthetic joint. It is impossible to detach, drainage is ensured, and we can continue the assembly by mounting another panel.
Montując kolejny panel.
Please pay attention to the way in which I connect another panel. You will hear a click. This is the result of the fact that our panel is equipped with a click lock, thanks to which the panel, once attached, won't detach or move. Then you can easily reach for tools or measure something, and you can continue the assembly. Once attached, the panel stays in place.